Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash your face for about 60 to 90 seconds with a gentle cleanser to remove oil and revive your skin, then pat dry. Next, trim nose and ear hair and lightly shape brows so your face reads cleaner. These small cuts matter. Once done, pick a clean, well-fitting outfit. Fit changes everything. Make sure sleeves and hems sit right. These steps set the baseline for looking sharp at school immediately and with very little time. You move into the middle. Focus on hair and styling. Spend 2 to 5 minutes trimming sides or cleaning the neckline, or ask the barber for a tidy edge. Then apply a matte product or light gel. Start with 1 to 2 pea-sized amounts, spread on palms, work from back to front for natural texture. Once hair is set, coordinate outfit colors. Choose 2 main tones plus 1 accent to keep contrast balanced. These details refine your look and make it intentional. You finish strong with quick checks. Freshen your breath and teeth, brush or use a mint, and inspect the whole look in one mirror from head to toe. Then do a posture reset. Shoulders back, chest open, chin level. Hold a 10-second stance to anchor confidence. If something goes wrong, like a breakout, apply a cold compress to reduce redness, then spot treat with a small dot of gel. Finally, breathe and walk into school with purpose. Confidence sells the look just as much as...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.